Welcome to today's Explainer. Now, if you're a North Carolina driver, well, there's a really good chance you're absolutely dreading your upcoming license renewal. I mean, we've all been there, right? But what if I told you there's actually a way to handle the whole shebang without even leaving your house? So, did you know renewing your driver's license online in North Carolina can literally save you hours of time and uncertainty? Because that's exactly what we're focusing on today. By using the state's official online portal, you get to completely skip the driving, the waiting rooms, and all that stress. We're going to walk through this entire process together, from start to finish, giving you the exact, exhaustive, actionable insights you need to get your renewal done fast. Okay, so here is our roadmap for today. 1. The online renewal shortcut. 2. Checking your eligibility status. 3. Gathering your required documents. 4. Step-by-step renewal process. 5. Troubleshooting and security. And 6. Final tips and disclaimer. Section 1. The online renewal shortcut. Bypassing the DMV line. Let's dive right into this. The online portal, which is known as My NCDMV, is basically the ultimate solution to all your traditional DMV pain points. The difference between the old way and this new way is just, it's day and night. Think about the traditional method for a second. You're carving time out of your workday, driving all the way down to the office, taking that in-person vision test, identifying road signs, and waiting in those endless lines. Compare that to the online renewal. We're talking automated questions right from your laptop, instant generation of a temporary certificate, and you're doing the whole thing straight from your couch. And hey, you definitely don't have to just take my word for it. Look at this real quote from James B. over in Charlotte, North Carolina, who used the state's official system. He said, "It was simple, easy, and saved me hours I would have waited at the DMV office. It's just a massive win for efficiency. It literally turns a half-day chore into a 5-minute online transaction." Section 2. Checking your eligibility status. Who can actually use the portal? Now that we know the perks, let's see if you're actually eligible. See, the NCDMV has some pretty strict requirements for who gets to use this online shortcut. Basically, only standard Class C licenses are eligible. That means if you hold a commercial driver's license, like a Class A or B, you're disqualified from the online portal because of their strict verification rules. You'll also be blocked if your license is suspended, if you have any unpaid DMV debts, or if you have medical restrictions other than just standard corrective lenses. But you know, the biggest disqualifier that actually catches people off guard, it's that final one on the list. Right, so the crucial point here is the alternating cycle rule. North Carolina law actually dictates that you can only renew online every other time your license expires. Why? Well, because the state eventually needs to capture an updated biometric photo of you and do an in-person vision exam. So if you renewed online last time, unfortunately, you are forced to go in person this time around, meaning you'll need an in-person visit roughly every 10 to 16 years. Moving on to Section 3, gathering your required documents, tools for your renewal quest. Okay, so if you pass the eligibility check, fantastic. But before you even sit down at your keyboard, you're going to want to gather your tools to make sure everything goes smoothly and uninterrupted. Here is your exact checklist. First, you'll need your current Class C license number. Next, your date of birth and the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. That's just to verify your identity. You're also going to need a valid email address because that is exactly where they send your confirmation and temporary certificate. And lastly, grab a major credit or debit card to pay the fee. Speaking of fees, you're probably wondering, how much is this going to cost me? Well, the base number you need to keep in mind is $6.50. Thanks to a state law adjustment back in July 2024, the base fee is now exactly $6.50 per year of your renewal. So if you're doing an 8-year license, that runs you $52. Oh, and just a quick heads up, when you pay online, there is a tiny electronic processing fee of 1.85%. Section 4, Step-by-Step Renewal Process, Navigating the My NCDMV portal. Let's see how this all comes together in the actual execution phase. It's a highly structured, super easy to follow progression. When you head over to the official NCDMV website, you're going to look for the Available Online Services menu. And this brilliantly illustrates the exact menu you will encounter. You just want to find and click that Renew Driver License link. And honestly, the system just guides you the rest of the way. So here's how the steps play out in order. We've already done step 1, right? Gathering the info. Step 2 is simply accessing that portal. Now, step 3 is the automated screening. Since you aren't doing a vision test in person, you actually have to legally attest, meaning you legally swear that you're still a resident, your name hasn't changed, and your vision hasn't gotten worse in a way that would impair your driving. Step 4 is checking out and paying your fee. And step 5, well, that is absolutely critical. You absolutely must print your 60-day temporary driving certificate immediately. The portal is going to generate this for you as a PDF. You have to carry this printed piece of paper alongside your old expired license. That specific combination acts as your legal driving credential until your shiny new permanent license finally arrives in the mail, which usually takes anywhere from 7 to 20 business days. Section 5, Troubleshooting and Security, Avoiding Pitfalls and Safeguarding Data. Now, even in a super streamlined system, things can occasionally hit a snag. So let's talk troubleshooting, just so you know exactly what to do if you hit a roadblock. If you do happen to get kicked out of the online system, it's usually for one of these specific reasons. First off, if you recently moved or got married and you need an address or name change, well, the online portal won't let you proceed. You've got to go in person. Second, if you let your license expire more than 2 years ago, sorry to say, but you're starting from scratch. That means the full written test, vision test, and road test, all in person. And finally, if you've ever had a returned check with the DMV in the past, your online access is completely blocked until you clear that debt. And that usually requires paying through MoneyGram.
A lot of folks also ask us about security, which makes total sense. I mean, you're typing in your social security digits and credit card numbers. But rest assured, the official MyNCDMV portal uses strict data encryption to safeguard your information. Plus, they never share or sell your personal info. You just need to be absolutely certain you are on the official.gov state website and not some third-party scam site trying to hit you with hidden fees.
Section 6, Final Tips and Disclaimer. Completing your renewal journey. We made it to the finish line. You've navigated the rules, checked your eligibility, and hopefully successfully renewed your license from the comfort of your own home. Before we wrap up, I do have to give you this really essential disclaimer. The information provided in this explainer is based on the current rules and guidelines at the time of recording. However, regulations and fees do change, so always refer to official government resources or consult the North Carolina DMV for the most accurate, up-to-date information regarding your specific situation. All right, so having mastered the whole online renewal system, here is my final question for you. What will you do with the hours of free time you just saved by skipping the DMV line today? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, or if you have any follow-up questions or experiences to share, we would love to hear them. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and happy driving out there.